Let's go on an entry. Dinosaur.
Hello everyone, this is NTR. We have an extreme emergency to tell you. A video of mine was blocked because my video is longer than 1 minute, and copyright music was found. As the video got blocked globally, you can't watch the video as a scary event will be told next. This video caused a visibility crisis on NTR and his alt, and the crisis is much deeper than the 2025 video crisis. This crisis has an unknown date to end, and the economy will crash largely. We appreciate you listening to this extreme alert. As we will suspend programming, the team UPLOADRS, him will play in any moment.
Just us uploaders, laughing in the glow, hitting record style. Memories and frames, we ain't losing composure. Shed a little wins, yet our eyes in the closure. We the ones, we uploaders. Keep it running, we uploaders. Late nights, blue light, chasing down our dreams. Comments on a page were more than what they see. Building up a vision out the 1,000 streams. Real life comes alive when we live on screen. Stories stacking up, let the moments play. Never looking back, gain only new lanes. All my favorite faces on my display. Together through the pixels, here to stay. Just us uploaders, laughing in the glow, hitting record style. Memories and frames, we ain't losing composure. Shed a little wins, yet our eyes in the closure. We the ones, we about us. Keep it running, we upload us.